welcome back. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And folks, there comes a time when you gotta know when to fold them. Okay, you gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. And today I reached my threshold of pain. I've been looking at what's been going on with the markets, and boy, I tell you what, 30% in a week on Bitcoin, 37.8%. Some people saw 40% in a week lost on Ethereum. And you just got to know when it's time for you to pull out, and pull the parachute. And for me, today was the day. It doesn't mean I'm not going to be investing in crypto anymore. It just means I've reached my threshold of pain for the moment. And some people will think, well, oh, wait a minute, this is the bottom. This is a great time to get in. Yes, it might be for some, but I can remember a time when Ethereum was $200. And some people are not going to remember that. They're not going to know that, yeah, it can go down to $200. I remember when Bitcoin was $2,500. I remember when it was $4,500. And I want to talk to you about knowing when it's time for you to pull out. If you're one of those people who was living off the fat of the land, that's right, paying some of your bills using the crypto and whatnot, now might be a time where you need to evaluate exactly where we are as far as the crypto market is concerned. Take a look at this. We're sitting around $1,100 crypto for Ethereum. The last time I saw prices like this, look at this. Okay, here it is, around January of 2021. Now, some people might say, well, it's going to turn around. Look at the rest of the chart. I mean, way back here in 2017, we hit this 1,300. We could be seeing a reset that takes us down to prices that are sub $500. And don't say it can't happen. Oh, yes, it can. Now, if you think it's bad now, what would happen if Ethereum dropped below $500? I mean, we've got every indicator in the world. We got the S&P 500 looking bad. We've got war going on between the Russians and the Ukrainians. We got all this mess going on, pushing the stock market down, and now the crypto markets. It is possible that for a short period of time, short meaning possibly 6 months, Ethereum could go below $500. And for me right now, that's just too much pain. I'm pulling the plug. Doesn't mean I'm not going to do videos. Doesn't mean I'm not going to invest in crypto. It just means I'm not going to have my whole freaking sack of money sitting over here on the whole crypto market while it goes in the toilet. Bitcoin's no different. I remember when Bitcoin was $2,500 or $4,500. Let's just take a look at this. Look at this chart. It's so similar. Okay, $21,000 the last time we saw something like this. It was back there in 2020, 2 years ago. And a similar chart, look at this. Okay, back in 2017, and here we go dipping down to 3,000, 10,000. It could happen, folks. We could see a $10,000 Bitcoin. We could see a $5,000 Bitcoin. I remember when it's 4,500. Look at this. And if you were fortunate enough to get in and remember those days when Bitcoin was $4,000 and $5,000 and we thought it would never go above this, and then it hit 10, 20, oh goodness, and then the craziness started. Well, this is a new craziness. And we could be seeing sub 10,000 again. We got everything pointing to reset. Welcome back to 2017, 2016. All right. Not the news you probably wanted to hear, especially not from Crypto Big Boss, right? But you got to realize that what you've purchased, what I've purchased, I think it is valuable, but there's a time to invest and there's a time to fold. There's a time to look at it and take your profits or consider your losses or whatnot. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share. And whatever you do your own research and know when it's time for you to stop. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.